Hello everyone, welcome to WinPoint online classes. Today we are going to start with the session for class 12th biology. The first unit of class 12th is reproduction. The unit consists of 4 chapters. The first chapter is reproduction in organism, which consists of general introduction about reproduction, about the types of reproduction, about the lifespan and different stages of reproduction which you have studied in your previous classes. Chapter 2, Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. Chapter 3, Human Reproduction, and Chapter 4, Reproductive Health. Let's begin with Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organisms. Learning objective for this session will be, you will be studying about reproduction, its definition and lifespan. Reproduction. We see different kinds of organisms in our surrounding. We see them growing, we see them becoming old. In the middle stage, we see them reproducing and producing young ones which is similar of their own kind. Reproduction is a familiar word which you have learned in your junior classes. The simple definition of reproduction is, reproduction is a biological process in which an organism gives rise to the young ones, which is also called offspring similar to itself. Before studying about the types of reproduction, we should know what is lifespan. The time period from the birth to the natural death of an organism represents its lifespan. The lifespan includes various stages: birth, to a juvenile phase, to a reproductive phase, to aging, which is also called senescence. Aging is for human beings, whereas senescence we use for different organisms, to death. So the lifespan is from birth, the time period from birth to the next stage, that is juvenile phase, to the reproductive phase, to an aging or senescence, to the death. So the time period from the birth to the natural death of any organism is called as lifespan. There are variety of organisms. These organisms have different lifespans. There are organisms which have shortest lifespan. The shortest lifespan is of mayflies, which is also called one-day insect, because its lifespan is just 24 hours. You know the life cycle of mayflies. For all the insects, egg hatches to larva, larva to pupa, and pupa later on to become an adult, and adult reproduces and then later it dies. The interesting fact is that when adult comes out of the pupa, it lives only for few minutes, just 5 to 7 minutes. So the time period for the reproduction and the death is even shorter. The longest lifespan is of bowhead whales, which is about 150 to 200 years. Tortoise, it's of 100 to 150 years. Talking about the birds, parrot has the longest lifespan of 140 years. Talking about the plants or the trees, bristlecone pines, yew trees, ginkgo biloba trees, they live for more than thousands of years. So we have learned the definition of reproduction and we have learned about lifespan. In the next session, we will be learning about the types of reproduction and the difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Thanks for watching.